going to show you how to use the remove tool in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up just a moment, like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on filter, then we click on camera raw filter, and here we just go into the right side. We have this little eraser button, we click on this, and then here we have remove, and let's say we want to remove this leaf at the top. These things, just brush over them like this, and then the app is going to try and remove it like this. That's it for